Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the essentials match the game. Windows up to date, GPU drivers current, and either the Xbox app or Steam running for controller support. Plug the controller via USB or pair with a quality Bluetooth dongle. Wired reduces lag. Once done, open Battlefield 6 and go straight to Settings, then Controller to choose Input Type. You do this now because the game reads hardware presence at launch. Making that choice first prevents misdetection later. You now tune how the controller feels by selecting a preset as a baseline, then adjust dead zones and sensitivity to remove stick drift while keeping responsiveness. Make sure Aim Assist is set to your preference. Some players drop it for smoother tracking. Next, remap critical buttons, Fire, Aim, Sprint, Interact, and immediately test in a tutorial or empty server to confirm muscle memory. If you use a PlayStation or third-party pad, enable Steam input and create a per-game profile. You finish by saving your profile and backing up Steam or Xbox controller configs so nothing resets after an update. Make final adjustments like vibration and sensitivity in live matches to refine control under fire. If you hit problems, stuttering input or disconnections, try a different USB port, use a dedicated 2.4 GHz dongle, and close unnecessary background apps to reduce interference. If the game still won't detect the controller, reinstall the controller driver and verify game files. That fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.